Have you ever stopped to wonder about the very beginning of life? How does a tiny, seemingly simple cluster of cells orchestrate the creation of something as complex as the human body, with all its intricate organs? It's one of the most incredible processes in nature, and today we're going to explore exactly how it all starts. Just 3 weeks into a pregnancy, a monumental transformation begins. The embryo, which started as a small ball of cells, organizes itself into 3 distinct foundational layers. Think of these as the primary blueprints for the entire body. These layers are called the ectoderm, the mesoderm, and the endoderm. Each one has a very specific and crucial destiny. Let's break down what each of these layers is responsible for. The outermost layer, the ectoderm, is tasked with forming our interface with the world. It gives rise to our skin, hair, and nails. But it also forms the entire nervous system, including the brain and spinal cord. The middle layer, the mesoderm, is the powerhouse of structure and movement. It builds our skeleton, muscles, and the circulatory system, including the heart and blood vessels. Finally, the innermost layer, the endoderm, creates the internal machinery that keeps us running, like the lungs, the liver, and the entire digestive tract from the stomach to the intestines. With these 3 layers in place, the real magic begins. This stage is called organogenesis, which literally means the beginning of organs. Around the 5th week, this process kicks into high gear. Cells within each layer start to communicate, sending out chemical signals that tell them where to go and what to become. They fold, cluster, and specialize. You get the first beats of a tiny, developing heart, and the initial buds that will eventually grow into arms and legs start to appear. It's a period of incredibly rapid and precise development. So, how do these cells know what to do? It all comes down to a perfectly timed biological choreography at the microscopic level. Stem cells, which have the potential to become any type of cell, start to divide and differentiate based on the signals they receive from their neighbors. These signals, called growth factors, act like instructions. One cell might be told to become a nerve cell, while its neighbor is instructed to become a muscle cell. This intricate communication ensures that every organ and tissue forms in the right place at the right time. It's an astonishing display of biological engineering. Now, it's important to remember that this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be taken as medical advice. For any personal health questions or concerns, please always consult with a qualified doctor or healthcare professional. Thank you so much for joining us on this fascinating journey into the beginnings of life.